I watch so many channels on YouTube, but I am going to show you top 4 most high-paying niche channel idea where you can work without showing your face, and you also easily monetize your channel and earns thousands of dollars. Watch till end, because in the end, I am going to show the channels that have low competition and a high amount of views. To run a faceless YouTube channel, you have to follow these 3 steps. Step no 1, choose a niche. Step no 2, create videos. And step no 3, upload on YouTube. So first of all, we were talking about step no 1 of choosing a best niche. So I am giving you top 4 most high-paying niches. No 1, psychology categories channel like Eternalize. This channel upload his video in psychology categories and in English dubbed. And these psychology video gets very viral, especially these channel in Hindi has very low. So if you want to create this channel in Hindi, you can easily create and earn thousands of dollars. No 2, affiliate marketing. In this channel, you don't only earn with ads revenue, but also with affiliate and sponsored. This channel name is Vacuum Wars, which make vacuum cleaner reviews video without showing face. This channel has a huge search potential because this channel is about vacuum cleaner. So people search this topics because they need this. And you can also put affiliate link in the description for every buyer. You will earn completion.
Number 3.
Movies reviews. This category is very popular in whole faceless category because this is an entertaining category and everyone like to be entertained. See this channel, Hollywood Silver Screen. All of the videos of this channels gets viral. You can easily make these videos. First of all, you have to watch the movie and understand the story. And just do the voiceover on the videos and earn thousands of dollars. No 4 explanation. This channel name is Magnets Media. This channel has most highest views. This channel makes videos on trending searching topics. If you want to make this type of video, you don't have to show your face, but you have to research additionally about any topic. You can also use ChatGPT for research, as much as you can give more and more effort.
Number 5. Horror stories. See this channel, Mr. Nightmare. This channel upload horror video by just using free stock footages and a voiceover. According to Social Blade, this channel earn around $70,000 in every single month. We can make this type of video in just 10 minutes with the help of AI. If you want to make this type of video, I can definitely teach you step by step. Let's aim 1,000 likes to upload next video on Faceless channel. So here are the best niches that you can work without showing your face and earn millions of dollars. If you need more video like this, then subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to get the money-making video.